Okay guys, this is a video to kind of explain how the dihybrid cross is done. Alright, by now I would believe you have read the PowerPoint, and so at least you have some information as it relates to dihybrid cross. Right, when we talk about dihybrid cross, we're talking about two different traits, right? Remember, monohybrid, we're only looking at one trait, but dihybrid, we're looking at two traits. So for example, in this example, we're looking at round and wrinkled, right? Which is a trait of texture. And we're looking at tall and short, which is height. Morning, which is height, right? So look at this cross here. We want to cross a homozygous tall round. As you can see, tall is one trait, round is another trait. So using the key that they have given us up here, we're going to put down now the genotype for this parent, a tall round characteristic, homozygous. And remember, we said homozygous means the alleles are the same. So for tall, 2 big T's, and for round, alright, tall, big T, for round, big R. So it would be 2 big R's. So this parent right here, genotype is 2 big T and 2 big R's. For the other parent, we have pure, short, wrinkled. Remember, we said pure means they have the same alleles, pure breeding or true breeding, the same alleles, right? But in this case, it is short, wrinkled. Let us go back to our key and look what short, the allele that they use for short. So it's little t, and for wrinkled, it's little r. So we're going to put for short, T, T. For wrinkled, we're going to put 2 little r's. Good. So let's go now to the possible gametes that would come from this parent. Alright? So remember, because we're dealing with dihybrid cross, each gamete must have one of the alleles. Alright? 1 T and 1 R. Alright? Because we're looking at two traits, two different traits. So this T can go with that R. So we get T, R. This T can go with that R. So we get T, R. I think you see where we're getting at now. Not true. This T can go with that R. So we get T, R. This T can go with that R. So we get T, R. Pretty simple, right? Good. So we have 4 gametes with capital T and capital R. And if you realize what happened here, you can simply fill in the rest over here. This can go with this. This can go with this. So by now you know all the gametes will have common T and common R. Good. So now let us plug these gametes into the Punnett square. Alright? So now over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 and 4. So we're going to put T, R, T. Alright? Yes.